Hello, my name is Marie Zerteza and this is my audience. Imagine waking up on a Friday morning, not worrying about emails or the food that you have to prep just to get by that day. But the fact and knowing that you can stay in, sleep in, and do whatever that you've been wanting to do but not able to due to the lack of time. Would you take that opportunity? Today, I am here to convince you that a 5-day work week is outdated and that transitioning to a 4-day work week is beneficial for employees' well-being. It also is beneficial for the employees when it comes to saving costs, and it helps improve our planet and the environment. Having that extra day of work week reduces burnouts. Employees are the face of a company. So if a company is not able to properly function without its employees. That's why having that extra day helps them recharge their mind and bodies. It also reduces stress levels, and it's good for mental and physical health. Savings is also a big part of it. A business can save from a shorter work week. This is by having retention, by employee retention. If an employee hears about a company that offers a shorter work week, it is likely that the employee will stay longer in that company, which helps the company save more because they don't have to do or to have to cost for the training. Also from utilities. In the article, The Rise of the 4-Day Work Week, Productivity versus Practicality, when they were doing a 4-day work week trial, they noticed a 23% reduction on electricity bills. Electricity bills is very important, but knowing that you can save or you have less, you can save just by having that lesser work day is a big savings for them. Also, usage of supplies. Having a shorter work week, you don't have to use much supplies than you used to, because there is less printing, there is less usage of supplies. Also, in our planet right now, we are facing tons of climate changes. We are facing tons of heat, and through that lesser workday, it improves carbon footprints, or just it improves the air pollution. In the article, Why is the 4-day work week good in the environment? In Valencia City, Spain, when they were doing a city-wide 4-day work trial, they saw a reduction in nitrous oxide, which is on the other name, air pollution. Not only that, but UK also experienced a shorter or a reduction of UK's carbon footprint by 127 million tons, which equivalents to 27 million cars off the road. To conclude, a 4-day work week isn't just a perk, it is practical. It's a solution to a modern day challenge. It leads to the well-being of employees. It leads to a really good saving cost when it comes to businesses. And it also helps improve our own planet. A 5-day work week might have worked in the past, but it does not help us on this day's generation. Working less can actually mean achieving more. It's time to work smarter, not longer. Once again, this is my audience.